Check my mirrors before I move. Moving forward, ensuring I do not knock over cone B with the pole. So as I'm driving up, I'm checking my mirrors and I'm slowing down when I get close to cone B. I'm using my blind spot mirror on the left, where now I can see the B cone. So I know I'm not going to hit it, so I keep this position and I then pick up the B cone now in my bottom left mirror. There it is. I've got to see that B cone all the way up. And look at my right mirror, I can see him straight with the yellow line on the right. I can see him straight with the yellow line in the middle. And I can see my B cone. I'm now looking forward, make sure I'm in between the A cones. I can see my B cone, and I can see him still straight. As I'm coming up, I'm using my front blind spot mirror. And I'm looking out for the yellow line, there it is. I'm then going to come to a stop when I'm level with that yellow line. Just there. Handbrake. I'm now going to select reverse. Now, I want the trailer to go to the left. Because I want the trailer to go left, I need to go opposite steering. So I want to steer right. So here at HDT, we teach in one steering to the right. Okay? So I look at my steering wheel and I steer one to the right. One. I'm now going to hold that position and I'm not going to let that steering wheel move. So look at my left mirror and my right mirror, over my shoulder, and I start moving back. Checking my mirrors. I can see the trailer is now starting to bend out to my left. I'm now looking at my right hand mirror. Now, your instructor will tell you about a marker. In this one, we have a black marker. This is to help us. So as soon as I see that black marker, I'm going to stop. There it is there. So, I'm going to stop. I now want the unit to start following the trailer. So I've got a good angle now to go towards the bay. So I now want to turn two steering to the left. So I look down, 1, 2. And again, I hold this position. Look at my mirrors and I move off. Now what I'm looking for is good mirror checks. I'm now looking outside to make sure my front wheel does not cross that yellow line. Once I get level with the yellow line, I am going to straighten the wheel parallel with that yellow line. So just here, I'm now going to straighten the wheel parallel with the yellow line. I'm now going to stay along that line until my trailer is straight. Until my trailer is straight. So as I reverse back, I'm looking down. I'm looking in my mirror. I'm looking down. Make sure I don't cross the line. I'm looking in my mirror. I'm looking down. I'm looking in my mirror. I'm looking down. I'm looking in my mirror. I can now see my B cone. Right? But now I want to keep going until my trailer is straight. It's not quite straight yet because my headboard is still sticking out. So I'm going to go back that little bit more. Now my trailer looks straight here. I look in my left hand mirror. I can see it straight on the left hand mirror. Now the unit and the trailer is straight. So I'm going to head back at this angle, but keeping the trailer and the unit straight. So what I'm looking for now is my rear wheels. Once my rear wheels touch that yellow line, I want to start bringing the trailer round to my right. Right, I want to start steering left. Now, I only need to do a little half turn with the steering wheel. So when I get here, just do a little half turn to there, and the trailer starts coming round. Look on the left mirror, I don't want to be much more than the pivot lines on the trailer. I'm looking to my right, I'm going to start taking it off that half turn again. I'm just going to let the trailer bend round. Look, no steering. Don't have to do anything, the trailer's bending. Now I'm judging the wheels coming round towards my bay. Now I don't want to keep this lock on all the time, because if I do, the trailer will keep bending. So I've got to start taking the lock off by bringing the steering wheel round to the right and judging it as it comes round. I'm starting to straighten up, as you can see, using my mirrors. And a little bit back on, because I still need to come around a little bit more. Look at the steering I'm doing, just that little quarter turn. That's all it needs. Now as the trailer's starting to bend round for me again, I'm going to straighten the steering wheel again, bring my unit level with the trailer. Looking on both mirrors, seeing where my trailer is, keeping it straight as I come back. So now I'm level with the cones and I'm level with the yellow lines. Straightening it up, little adjustment with the steering, putting it back again. Looking left and right, little adjustments, not much movement at all. So I'm now looking to stop with the trailer inside the yellow box and inside the black chevrons. So what I'm looking for is I now want to put my head out the window. For this trailer, your instructor will give you your markings, number 16 and number 15. I want my front wheels in between those two. So as I'm coming back, I'm keeping my trailer straight and I'm just looking down for that marker. I can see my wheel is between 16 and 15. I'm going to stop there, I'm going to apply the handbrake, I'm going to go into neutral